Tiger Lifting Adjustable Plane Hoist Beam Trolleys. This adjustable trolley is a versatile and premium solution for lifting from overhead I-beams. They're designed to adjust to a wide range of flange widths using a zinc-coated spindle. The wheels of the trolley have a convex profile to eliminate potential point loading and run on sealed bearings for smoother rolling with less effort and maintenance. They meet and exceed these national and international requirements. Our customers use Tiger Lifting Adjustable Plane Hoist Beam Trolleys to perform lifts in warehouses, machine and fabrication shops, and for general rigging projects. They're available in sizes ranging from 1 to 6 tons and track widths from 3 to 12 inches. When it comes to adjustable trolleys, Tiger Lifting Adjustable Plane Hoist Beam Trolley is the premium choice for I-beam lifting versatility.